All right, real quick again, 7:15, 80 line is minus 44.30. Folks, there's no buyers in sight. And I was saying last week that so much of this action happened in, again, it was an algo, two algos. I turned one on here at the end of the day to squeeze this up. And you can see that here, right, 10:30 up here to 5102. They wanted to get it to 5100 so then overnight they could turn it back on. And then they did. You can see it right here with the volume. There was no volume here from 5100 all the way up to the open at 5130. And once we broke that today, it was over. There's no buyers in here. This was an all machine. This is what, those that try to intervene and try to bid up markets short term, it's fun. They trap people. And that's what happened here last week. They spent 3 days, at this new high, really 2.5. And we said on Friday that the close on Thursday was not strong, and we couldn't even take out the high on Friday. So that told me you wanted to be short into the weekend. And now with and the other thing was the point of control for the 2 weeks never moved. It never moved. Matter of fact, it actually even went down a little bit lower. It was around 50.49 and is now 50.41. So the action, the lack of volume. Matter of fact, every day last week we had less volume as the week went on. Was warning signals galore, and now you're sitting with an AD line so negative. And if you're not looking at the profile this way, you're thinking that, hey, we're going to bounce at 5102, and we probably will. But you can see there's still holes. We could go very quickly today, still down to the top here at 5080. And then even then, we're just getting back into value. So value starts from 5128, goes down 100 points, 5029. This lid that we put in here for the last 3 days, 4 days, really is going to put a crimp on the market moving higher for now. We have Apple tonight. Who knows? They don't really have anything exciting going on, but that could reverse us, give us another opportunity to sell. Who knows? We'll have to wait to see how that plays out. But if you weren't short coming in from Friday, it's very difficult to sell this market. As a matter of fact, I sold a little bit at 45 to add to my position from Friday. It had bounced pre-market, but that was pre-market. So if you didn't get it early, it fell quickly and continues to fall. And again, with the AD line at minus 4,400, I haven't seen this in a long time. There's actually a little bit of fear in the market today. And the VIX today is up about 17%, trading at 12. Right now, it's up 13%. Since it's doesn't take much for the VIX to move a percent, but it's bounced here to 12. Even it's been as high as 12.45 early, and I'd say maybe we've put in a bottom on the volatility here for a while, which will be great for trading, which is what we're here to do. So, anyways. S&P also, just so you know, 2268. If you want to see the charts there, it has pulled all the way back, and it again on Friday we said if it doesn't close, that closing on Friday was very bearish on the S&P, and the S&P again, I'm going to always trust the S&P over the Nasdaq. So S&P knew something was up, maybe knew a little bit about what was going on in the White House. That definitely is having an effect on the market today. And it's the first time it's had an effect in Trump's short presidency here of this is just week 2. So we're almost back to value actually on the couple week chart here, 2263 on the S&P, and again leading us there. So that whole throw over, we're right back into the zone where we were for weeks, and I warned about this. It felt like this was fake last week, and we only closed one day above the zone where I said we had to close, and I always look for 2. So total fake out happened. This is, again, why we set this up this way, and the trade plans that we've laid out were perfect for today. And if you want some help with your trade plans, just hit us up on the website, and we can help you with those. So the plan here, the rest of the day is sell rallies. If you get any rallies on the Nasdaq or S&P, it may be we may not even see any. There's so much selling power going on right now that and nobody was very short coming in on that Friday. So that's it. We'll talk to you on the other side.